All right, today we're going to learn how to use Open Rocket Simulator. You're going to Google Open Rocket. The first selection should be Open Rocket Simulator. When you click on that website, you should get the download version 15. When you click on that, it should appear, after maybe selecting downloads, it should appear in this bottom tab. It'll take a little while for it to actually finish downloading. So do give it some time. It can take a couple of minutes. While you're waiting, you can go to our Schoology site, go to Robotics, and you can download the template. Now, this also may take some time. When you click on it, again, saving it to downloads here, should also pop up along that bottom toolbar. So, once you finally get Open Rocket to open, you're going to choose File and Open, and choose that Open Rocket template from this PC downloads, the Model Rocket template. This is the template. You're going to be changing the nose cone. You're going to change the fins to what you want for your model rocket. I'm going to ask you to change and test some flight simulations each time you make a change to see if it made a difference. So, double click on the object you want to change, whether it's the fins or the nose cone, and then make those changes. Let's say we work on the fins here. Let's go to shape. You can change the shape of this a variety of different ways. I'm going to bring that in just a little bit there. There we are. And flight simulations, new simulation will give me a new test. I would just keep all the different variables the same. Simulate and plot. You get a look at how high it went. I think the easiest way to look at it is going to be time in the air, apogee. Notice that that made a nice improvement changing those fins. So try a couple different versions of your nose cone, try a couple different versions of your fin, record the data, and hand that in today. Please also save this work to your H drive. Remember, File, Save. Let's save, or here, let's go back to Rocket Design. File, Save, hit OK. Should come up with, oh, Save As, here we are. And we're going to save it into your H drive. Please make sure you save this to your H drive.